Find the missing angle measure using any method. So I will allow that. They have a complicated picture right here, but they do give us some information. They're telling us that angle TEY is a 90-degree angle, and they're telling us down here that the measure of angle MEY, this little angle measure right here, is 25 degrees. So if we know this is 25 degrees and that these two angles form a right angle, that means that this angle measure of 25 plus the unknown must equal 90. So if I take 90 and subtract 25 from it, I'm going to get 65 degrees. 65 plus 25 is 90. Number 18. The measure of angle MBE is 60 degrees. MBE is 60 degrees. We are also given that we have a right angle over here. So they want to know the measure of angle NBT. So NBT is this angle measure right here. So we can look at this a number of ways. We know that if this is a straight line, and we have no reason to think that it's not a straight line. If this is a straight line and we have a right angle right here, we're going to know that the angle opposite also must sum to be 90. Excuse me, not opposite, adjacent. This right here is also going to be 90 degrees. And we know that part of that is 60, so we know this part has to be 30 degrees. Well, you can also see that the angle that we're trying to find is a part of this line right here. Because we're trying to find the measure of angle MB, NBT. We're trying to find the measure of this angle. Well, we now know that the measure of this small angle here is 30. This angle measure is 90 because it's right. So the sum of these three angles should equal 180. So when I take 30 plus 90 plus this unknown angle, I should get 180. So when I add those together, I get 120 plus x equals 180. And if I subtract 120 from each side, I will get that this is a 60-degree angle. And that checks out. 60 plus 90 is 150, plus 30 is 180. So the sum of the measures for the green line is 180. Number 19, the measure of angle FTE is 58. FTE, this angle measure is 58. We need to find the measure of angle FTR. FTR is this angle right here. Well, again, we have a straight line with angle ETH That's a straight line. And on this side, we have an angle that measures 90 degrees. So we know that angle ETR also must sum to 90, and we know one of the angles in ETR has a measure of 58. So we can just take the measure of angle ETF and subtract it from 90 to get the measure of angle FTR, this one right here. So 90 minus 58 is equal to 32, I believe.